Hello and welcome to Niecy's Customs. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And if you already subscribed, thank you for subscribing. I really do appreciate all the love and support that I'm getting from each and every one of you. And if you don't mind, can you hit the like button and share my videos? That would help my channel out so much. Thank you for that. Well, today we're going to do a mouse pad. Um, it's a square mouse pad that we're going to do. And we're just going to put one simple design on there. And we're going to leave it as is. The machine none, cut mat none. The lettering 8.5 by 11. And we're going to change it to landscape instead of portrait. Okay, I already have my image that I'm going to get. So I'm going to go to File. I'm going to Merge. And I'm going to download, and it's right here. I said I was going to do landscape, but I think I'm going to go ahead and do it in portrait. And my mouse pad is to change the height and the width. We're going to go over here. This is how you change it. Open transform panel. You're going to go to scale, and you're going to change the width. It's going to be, you're going to put this in first. The width is going to be 7.75, and the height is going to be 9.25. I'm going to hit apply, and that's going to be the background, but I don't want it like that. I'm going to go ahead and push it in, and this is what I'm going to do. Instead of having all that white background in the back, I want everything to be the same color. So I'm going to go here, the drawing tool, and I'm going to make a square. And once you make that square, don't click anything else. Go up here to the select button, the arrow button. You're going to click that. So you won't have, because once you click this and you move that and you click anything, you're going to have thousands of boxes right here. That's why I say as soon as you make that box, go ahead and select that arrow, so you won't have so many of these boxes right here or anything. And I'm going to change the color. I'm going to go here to my color panel up here. You can go to the color panel right here, and you can also go over here. Over here in this corner or right here. Once you go right here, you can pick like these colors right here, like the faded colors, or you can go to the panel, the full panel right here. Sorry if it come up. The full panel, and it's right here. But I'm going to go to the full color. Then you make sure that you have your box clicked. You want to see this border right here. You want to see this right here. Once you click that, you go over here, and I'm going to go ahead and get my little dopper or whatever that is, and I'm going to pick a color from right here. So I'm going to get that, and it's going to change to that color. And I'm just going to go ahead and just spread it out. because it's going to print anyway. It don't matter. With a full color like this, you can go ahead and do that. And I'm gonna just move my picture, my image right here. Okay, I know y'all like, okay, my picture went behind my box, my color. So what you want to do, you want to click, make sure you click that box, that color, and you're going to right click and you're going to hit send to back, and your image will come up front just like that. Okay, I'm just showing y'all like the basic stuff. um just a mouse pad. Okay, once you have done that, I'm gonna go ahead and print it. So you go to file, go to print, 8.5 by 11 portrait, and you got the check. Put the check in the mirror image, and you're gonna go ahead and print and print. And I'll be right back to show you how I press it. Okay, I'm back. We're getting ready to press our mouse. If I can find it, I just had it. Now I don't know where I put it. Oh, I got it. Okay. This what I like to do. I like to get my image and I set my mouse pad on top of it just to make sure that I got it covered right and everything's going to be on there. Just to make sure. And I get my heat tape. And I tape it down and I flip it over. And I tear another piece of butcher paper and I sit on top of it. Then I get my Teflon paper and I sit on top of that. And I press it down for 60 seconds at 400 degrees for my mouse pad. Okay, that's finished. And I lift it up. Go ahead and take my Teflon sheet off. Take that butcher paper off. It's hot, so I can see where some blemishes are at. I'm gonna go ahead and move the camera over, and you can see right here where the color didn't come out right. Other than that, my mouse pad came out good. I'm happy with it. It's just this right here. You can tell this right here. I could have went a few more minutes on it. Let me look at my temperature. You see that? I got it at 54 seconds instead of 60 seconds. So if I had to look at that temperature, it would have came out perfect, but I didn't. So it's 400 degrees at 60 seconds. Okay, well, you know what I'm about to say. Until next time, remember, God loves you and I love you too. Peace, and remember, subscribe, like, and share. Thanks.